Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add Amazon affiliate link to your WordPress website. Okay, so the first thing that we should do here is you just have to log in to your WordPress account. That's right, and then I just have to click on the edit side option. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then you will be redirected to your website. Okay, so right here, what we're going to do is we're just going to proceed to another page right here. For example, you have a page for your products. Okay, that's right. So after that, what you're going to do now is to click on the Amazon. Okay, so you have to log into your Amazon account. And then after that, you just have to look for the product that you want to add to your WordPress account. So for example, this product right here. That's right. Then after that, just click on the get linked option at the top right. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the short link for this product and then make sure to download the images of this product. Okay, so I'm just going to download one for this video and then go back here. That's right. And then here we're just going to edit this page. So we are going to add a new block right here. So I'm just going to add an image. Okay, so I'm just going to upload the image that we have downloaded from Amazon. Okay, and then right here we are going to add a button. Okay, so for example, in this section, just going to add a new block. So just simply click on this add option and then click on the button. That's right, this is the button right here. So you just have to simply click on it. And then here you have to type out buy now. Okay, and then you have to add here the link. So simply click on it and click on this linked option and then paste here the short link from Amazon. That's right, and click on enter. After that, you just have to save it. That's right, and then you just have to click on view page to preview this section. And then when someone click on it, they will be directed to Amazon, and when they purchase this product, you will get your commission. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.